Hi everyone, this is Saurabh from simplyautomated.com, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can connect Google Gemini to N8N, using which you can create images using Nano Banana and other different models within Google Gemini. So the very first thing which you have to do is you need to sign into your N8N account, and then you need to click on create workflow. We click on add first step, we'll choose trigger manually, and then we click on plus sign, and then we search for Google Gemini. And let's say we are choosing generate an image, and here on the top we'll see credential to connect with. So now you need to click on create new credential, and here you need an API key. And how you're going to get that API key? For that you need to go into your Google AI Studio. Make sure that you are signed into the right Google account, and then you need to click on get API key. And once you are here, you need to click on create API key on the top, and then you need to name your API key. We'll just say N8N connection. And then it's going to ask for choose an imported project. So right now we can do is we can create project, and then we can name our project N8N YouTube demo. We click on create project. Okay, the project has been created, and then we click on create key, and then our key is created. So all you need to do, click on this copy API key, go back to N8N, paste the API key here, give it a name. We'll just say simply automated Gemini, and then we click on save. Okay, it says the connection is tested successfully, and then we come back here, and so then we can see that our Gemini account is created, and we can select that. We can see that there are different models which are available right now for us to use. So this is how you're going to connect your Google Gemini account to N8N. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.